Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 6th of October 2023. So stocks erase losses, find a bit of support during yesterday as bonds flatline, oil slumps ahead of Friday's job report. Treasuries recover, continues ahead of the NFP numbers despite low jobless claims during yesterday. And as we've already seen there, the main event today is the non-farm payroll change numbers. It's one of those things that has more style than substance on occasions. You anticipate the numbers and expect a big move off it, and then absolutely nothing with the follow through. So just be warned of that one. Average monthly earnings alongside of that as well, and Waller is speaking at 5 p.m. also. Let's move on, have a look at the markets. Kick off with the Dow, work our way through to the metals. So in the Dow, market sideways yesterday, down slightly on the overnight. Does it mean that we're going to move down on the or in the electronic market before the NFP numbers? Who knows? But certainly it's very, very choppy in the 30-minute chart for yesterday and overnight. The market is currently down to the DP. A lot of choppiness and whipsaw action here, particularly in the afternoon yesterday. The market managed to move lower, then only to be ripped higher back to Wednesday's high there. And in the German DAX, we can see that we managed to recover on Wednesday. Thursday, very, very quiet, more or less an inside bar, and overnight a bit of weakness there. 30-minute chart for yesterday, again whipsaw as the market waits for these NFP numbers out today, and overnight very similar to the Dow, sitting at the DP level there. In the S&P 500, very similar picture there. 200 MA still giving the market some grief during yesterday and overnight. 30-minute chart, again you can see that volatility there. And in the FT 100, also the market sideways as well as it waits for these numbers. It's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts to this today, but finding a bit of support at the moment. As can be seen there, we've got the fib numbers on the upside just in case the numbers are positive. And in the 30 minutes, you've got that whipsaw action, then moving higher and then holding in a range. And overnight moved up quite nicely actually, but nowhere near, didn't quite make it to yesterday's high. There you go, it's just above there, and the 200 MA in the way there also. US dollar continues to move to the upside, as can be seen there for most of the week, and then Wednesday, Thursday down. Overnight the market trying to move back. I think it's just a small pullback, because certainly in the weekly chart, when you look at this, you'll see that the market hasn't had a down week for some time, so it'll be interesting to see how that pans out during today as well. And in the metals, market's sort of steady at the moment, sideways, but starting to look weak. As I said before, for me, we're going down to $17 an ounce. As far as silver is concerned, this is just a temporary stop here. And then 30-minute chart, again, you get to the London fix, they just hammer the market down. Despite the fact that the dollar had moved down yesterday, they also hammered the metals lower as well. Gold the same, stuck in the sideways range, making lower highs. And in the 30-minute chart, also hammered to the downside once more as well. So let's have a quick look at the gold-silver ratio before we finish. And in the gold-silver ratio, we're just sideways there as well, which you'd expect given that the markets for both gold and silver are currently sideways. Okay, that will do it for this one. As we head into the weekend, have a good one. And let's see if the market can have a rocket put under it with regards to the non-farm payroll numbers out at 1:30 p.m. With that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.